Hello guys, while we are now looking at this official unboxing of the new Cubot P50 model, I have to mention that the P50 global sales start today with a price of only $190.99. Also, the first 300 orders can get an additional $10 coupon, lower the final price to $99.99. The Cubot P50 is one of the best budget compact with a screen of only 6.2 inches, which is great news for all of us who love compact phones. There is also Sony's 12 megapixel triple camera, 2K HDR video support, as we have already said, 6.2 inch compact water drop notch, the 90.3% of screen to body ratio, followed by the modern and elegant design. The Cubot P50 comes with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, which is great in this price range. The smartphone is fueled with a 4400 mAh battery and runs on stock Android 11. Other interesting features include NFC, 3.5mm audio jack, LED notification and face unlock. So the official links are below this video, be sure to visit them. Choose your new Cubot P50 at this promotional price today. Now is your chance to get a new smartphone. That will be all for today, see you soon in the new video, bye.